Good morning, viewers. I just charged the battery and I'm gonna do my first ride. It's nice weather, a bit windy, a bit rainy. I don't know, we're gonna find out. I charged the battery. It took like 5 hours. So powerful, guys, from drive mode. Wow. That's sick. The power of this thing is like, you know, now with fully charged battery. That's so cool. All right, let's do like this. I'm gonna turn on my Ray-Bans. I have a Ray-Bans Meta, so you can see kind of where I'm going. And also I'm gonna record from this camera, from this point of view. Let's say I will change it later on, and yeah, we're gonna enjoy it. Let me know if that angle is good. All right, never do stupid things in the communities, because it's about your safety and the safety of people who are around you. So if you do some fuck up and you fuck someone else, how you gonna feel about it? You know, so always safety first, be aware, go crazy when it's a place and where is the time for being crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find a way to go out from my community, and in the meantime, yeah, let's go. Drive mode. Let's go. Find shit, they close all of them. You could used to go from this way. Not anymore. What to do? Okay, let's try sport mode. We are on the sport mode. Let's go. Whoa! That shit is crazy, guys. Wow, the speed of this. Yo, that shit is crazy. know. We're testing proper or we're not testing, yeah? Just wanted to show you the front shocks, but I went a bit, I think, too much. Guys, I have a stupid idea to try the bike at the mini skate park. The mini skate park, empty skate park. Nobody is using this skate park. I wouldn't be myself if I wouldn't try it. Don't repeat that I'm a professional stuntman, okay? I'm an ex-gymnast with 20 years experience, so don't repeat that stuff what I'm doing, because I was trained for it. And even though it looks crazy, I have all awareness and I know what I'm doing. And even if I don't know what to do and what I'm doing and I'm falling, I know how to fall. I'll put, just for my safety, eco mode. Right, we're gonna try this small jump. Let's see. The problem is it's very slippery here. I'm recording on my Ray-Bans, and yeah, let's try. Hi. They closed all roads in Ramram. What the hell? Like, dude, here was the exit. That was the entrance. Nothing. So if anyone biking in Ramram, they shut down the whole fucking facility for us. I remember 5 years ago I was taking my motocross out from the garage and I was going behind the Ramram. Now what the hell, like, that's sad. And then they are surprised, the kids, sorry, not kids, teenagers are riding like crazy on the streets around the community, but where the fuck they should ride? First feelings about the bike: so much joy, so much fun. I have to say that I just used 19% of battery. I went full a few times. I ride like, I don't know what, 50 minutes. It's showing me 50 minutes, and it's just around my community. So it's a lot of fun. And I didn't have to adjust anything, so I think I did a good job last night. Right now, let's start recording on Ray-Ban, and let's do last circle, park the bike and have a breakfast. And you guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, to comment below, and see you in the next one. Small race. If you have any questions, type the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to visit your uncle on the Instagram, the Dubai Uncle. Have a good one.